Hello, my name is Faye. My pronouns are they, he. And if you have a problem with that, then I think you should just click off. Got it? Anyways, welcome to my new series, aka Queer Blank with ADHD Reacts. Trust me, the queer and ADHD part are very crucial. You know what I mean? So I'll be honest with you. I literally already did this reaction. But because of my recording software, not hardware, my hardware was fine. So that when the video was playing and I was giving commentary, none of it came through. So I am just gonna do a reaction, you could say. And we'll see how it goes. Wait, let me check my script real quick. Right, so I was actually inspired to react to this first as the pilot episode because, well, I have been informed that there are many references in Indonesian culture in the music video. And this time, instead of talking over the video, I'm going to pause, then talk. So, yeah, I guess. Okay, before I forget, I don't know if Nona have a fandom name, but during my first take, I had this crazy idea. Okay, so a little context. If you're not Indonesian, you probably won't know what the fuck this thing is. But it's this like candy, which there's this thing that's like a candy, and it claims to be sweet, sour, salty, and spicy also. I'm not sure about the spicy part, but there could be a variation of it that's spicy, but yeah. And guess what it's called? It's called Nano Nano. Wouldn't that be great? And, you know, it's an Indonesian thing. Nona means basically little miss. Little miss sweet, little miss cute, little miss oof with the attitude. And, oh my gosh. I cannot seem to form a normal thought at the moment. I just think the fandom name Nano Nano, even if unofficial, could be really cute. So are you ready for me to react to Honk by Nona? Look at me, look at her. First of all, it really does sound like the telolet kind of meme. I think I've heard it in real life like maybe once. it was a huge like meme slash thing even. I don't know if that was like sampled and then like put into a MIDI kind of controller and or just drawing the MIDI notes. But with the depth like and complexity of the sound, I think somebody actually recorded like the bus, and that's cool. Also, these outfits, like I already said this in the first take, but the first take of my video, that they're giving cat's eye, and I'm not complaining. So yeah, let's continue. We haven't even had any vocals yet, and I already said so many dumb things. They're not dumb, they're just irrelevant, I guess.
If your mirror, put him up, post it, buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up, yeah. Get in the taxi, now pass me, ready, set, go. Get on the encore.
One thing I will say is that angkot right there is so unrealistic. The angkots I've been on are either like green and extremely cramped, somewhat dangerous, but they do their job. So yeah. Okay, moving on. Can I just say I love women? I like all genders, but I think I prefer women. Also, the upcoming scene is also very cat's eye in a great way, because I'm an icon and I love cat's eye. I just love cat's eye.
In the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical days with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A.
Okay, so the ass shaking, still very cat's eye, but the rapping has got this like YG style to it, mixed with the more slow-paced style of JYP rapping, minus Stray Kids, by the way. Stray Kids don't really do slow raps. Just saying. And I am a stay, so I can say that. It wasn't even supposed to be like a hate thing. I was just like, yeah. Okay, moving on. They're all shaking their asses, but they're grown adults, so like, who cares? Okay, moving on.
License plate. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
Okay, I don't think I said everything I wanted to say, or everything I said in the first reaction, but life is life, and you make mistakes, and you can't really undo your mistakes. You just gotta learn from them. If I have any extra thoughts, I will probably put them in like the description or a pinned comment. But for now, that's all I have to say. I mentioned the possible fandom name, official or unofficial. I might start a petition to have their fandom name be Nano Nano. Because I swear it's actually such a genius idea. Unless they already have a fandom name, which is completely fine. I just don't know what it is. If it exists, that is. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed my reaction to Nona's honk. I don't know why I said it like that. It's got an exclamation mark, so might as well just say it like that. So yeah. Bye.